coming from the east. Slight smell of petrol, gas, touch of rust. Think I'm in the year 5 billion in the planet New Earth. The prime stage of cat-human evolution. Great sight, that.
Who are you?
The Doctor.
Doctor Who?
Yeah, I suppose it is, old chap. Alright, best be off.
Okay, but stay out of trouble. Look out for Cat Who. He's on the hunt for somebody called the Master. Nasty villain, him.
Master? No turning back now. Something's seriously wrong. Plus, what's all that about Cat Who?
What do you think you're doing? Get away from that. It's a delicate piece of Earth history. It's called a rover.
I've seen this before, know how to use them.
How have you recovered the instruction booklet?
Just do know how to use them. We're going now. See ya. Still only in their prime stage of evolution, and they are blooming human.